Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a feet inches unit dimension style for a millimeter environment. Okay, let's see. Drawing units, UN enter. Length type decimal, precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay, now go annotate, select dimensions, dimension style, test Okay, now go dimension style, D enter, test go new, start with test new style name, test ft feet, continue, go lines, dimension lines, color by layer, type by layer, line width by layer, extension lines by layer, by layer, extension beyond dim lines 30, offset from origin 42. Okay, go symbol and arrows, arrowhead, architectural tick, arrow size 46. Okay, now go text style, T test, click here, T test, font name Romans, text height 60, width factor 0.8. okay, cancel, select text style, T test. Okay, text color by layer, text placement vertical above, horizontal center, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 34, test alignment, align with dimension line. Okay, go fit, hide text or arrow tick, beside the dimension tick, go primary units, unit format, click here, architectural select, precision 0.25, quarter, horizontal, suffix ft feet, scale factor, go calculate 1 divide 25.4 equal, select copy, scale factor, paste, click OK, test feet, select, set current, close. Okay, let's see, dimension style, test ft. Okay, go linear, click, 4 feet and 2 inches, repeat linear, 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.